According to Chen 2016, those who are educated enough to graduate in a higher education has known what is the true meaning of governance. If that's so, Bernali et al. States that those who are educated know what is the true meaning of good governance. If I would run as a president, surely enough, I would finish my college degree first rather than knowing what it is the real meaning of a legal profession inside the government, not just being capable enough to read and write. Dapat kung nasa loob ka ng gobyerno, may utak ka, hindi ka lang mismo.
Thank you.
Na-mention mo dapat may alam sila. Kaya nga may SK tayo para matuto sila from the start. Ngayon, bata pa lang sila, natututo na sila kung paano ang sistema natin para alam nila ang ginagawa nila, para alam natin rin. Natututo sila ng ganito, hindi porket may college degree ka, alam mo na. Pag nag-college degree ka, late ka mag-start, kaya may SK tayo para maaga ka. At ngayon, elected rin sila. Even in our schools, we have elected officers that are not college degree. But guess what? They're doing great. We are doing great. Not everything depends on a college degree.
If I know, SK is only for the youth. College degrees are those who are finished and preparing for those who are in a higher level rather than in the minority level in the area of local. I am talking about the national, not only the local level. If that's so, and according to the worldwide, it is also insinuated that even in India, improved infrastructure, Anil et al. Stated that healthcare education has been improved, and even improved infrastructure, and aside from that, education has been improved in science-based interventions if a higher education is mandated inside the government.
Dominic.
The SK is not just local. Of course, you'll start somewhere. Not everything goes to the president. Of course, you have to start somewhere low. You start from SK, mayor, congress, or mayor, or president itself. Not everything starts from above. You have to start from somewhere. You start from below. You start from the people. Without the people who don't have education, you will lose perspective. Everyone at top will be on top. Everyone who's at low will be low because there is no perspective if there are requirements of just college education.
Pero anong batayan mo pagdating sa dunong at talino kung wala kang karunungan mismo magpatakbo, kung wala kang college degree, a legal profession that is not just a paper but a testament that you are ready enough to run in a president not only in the local but also in the national area.